So this is the first use of the hoist for me as a hobbyist, and I've got my mum's old 124 Mercedes wagon, which I'm about to prop up. So I've got the blocks in the right spot, son. Hopefully there. Hopefully this means they'll go down when it goes up slowly. Are the ramps sticking away?
Yeah, the ramps are going down.
So the rubber blocks are supposed to go on the jacking points, which didn't line up particularly well on the 124. So I was just pushing them under the body skirting so it wasn't deformed. Alright, let's go up. You can see how the arm slides from right to left, so the left arm remains fixed and it's the right arm which slides forward. That's why the front of the car has to be on the left side of the screen where the weight is for the hoist. So you don't want the car facing the other way. That's not a safe way. It does reach a height of around 2 inches once it's all the way up.